So after several hours of farting around with this, we realized that we don't have any spark. And now it seems like the problem is those two teeth on the crankshaft sprocket came off, probably in the process of prying it off. So we're gonna replace that and see what happens. So we verified that we have spark now. The timing's good. The replacement sprocket's on. It has all its teeth. See what happens. Jake's building up the suspense. Nice. That is a happy sounding engine. And it's not even leaking. What was that?
No, don't do that.
All right. Good job, guys.
Can I have ice cream now?
She runs. You were pressing the AC button?
Yeah.
Yeah, this thing was spitting dust and grinding away or something. It was sketchy.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Well, we'll figure that out in a minute.
Alright, so now I'm getting in the car with the light on. So it's been, what, several weeks since we first got this running. And I had taken a video when we went for a drive when we got it running, but I had the microphone in and it was really loud and distorting and horrible to listen to. But it's on the road, it's road legal. It's broken in. Let's see what it's like. Yes, please. Subi Rumble.
I don't know if it's better with the flash on or off.
Probably on.
This is just sport. No boost.
Yeah. So in intelligent mode, we'll do a second gear pull here. It's not nearly as fun, but
The intelligent mode is kind of just like, I don't want to say gas saving because it's, I mean, at the end of the day, it's like what Subaru uses as a rally car, but it's definitely not. I mean, it's only like 8 pounds. Yeah, that's what we'll do. But yeah, it's definitely not nearly as much.
alright.
No first gear. We're gonna start in second gear. So just kind of a slow roll start.
Wow. So you get up to what, 15 pounds boost?
Yeah, 14.
talking about that a minute ago. You had upgraded that. What kind of turbo did you put on it, or what size?
I put a BNR 16G on it. I was running stock fueling, pretty low numbers. That was relative. I think it was at like 260 wheel horsepower, tuned by Matt Miner. Wasn't anything too big compared to what I've seen for other guys, but it was plenty for me. I mean, it was an Outback. It was my daily driver. I wanted to keep it reliable. I was still in the stock block. So yeah, just a BNR 16G, better than the stock turbo, and those have a tendency to go. But just little bolt-ons here and there, nothing too crazy. But it was a 2005 Outback XT, automatic with slap shift. Great car, loved it. Loved the car.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun.
It was a lot of fun.
And reliable.
Quite reliable, remarkably reliable. The boost on the 16G does have a tendency to come in a little bit higher of an RPM than the stock turbo did, obviously, because it's a bigger turbo. But it spooled a lot better and made a lot more boost. I think I was pushing, I want to say like 18 pounds or 19 pounds on the dyno when I went and got a dyno. So we're gonna turn around here. No, we're not. A lot of fun, ton of fun. Loved the car, always will. Always
This
have
time I'm gonna watch you get thrown back in the seat.
Okay.
We'll do a seat gauge this time.
Oh, it's fast. I'm still not even used to it compared to the Outback XT.
Yeah.
This thing like throws you.
Yeah, it's hard for me just to keep the camera still. It's so powerful. Yeah. Got a red light.
Track mode.
Wait for one more pull.
Got some pretty good twisties coming up. So
Here's a better view of the boost gauge when we're not moving. I can't even keep my camera still.
it's gonna be twisty.
You just see me go like back as soon as it hits boost and forward when it shifts. It's so violent. I feel like a
No
horrible.
problems at all around the twisties.
No, I feel like a horrible videographer right now, but it just, I don't know, unless I like mount it on the windshield or something, there's just no keeping a camera still when you're in this car accelerating.
So
It's
many.
so violent.
Pulling G's.
We'll zip our way up this hill. Nice.
Thing does pull so nicely.
And it sounds good.
It does sound good.
Nice Subi rumble. Not too loud though. Just right.
And it actually has like that rally car whine to it.
Yeah, it does.
This is made for dirt. Drift it.
Yeah, I feel like your dad would kill me.
He totally did just drift it.
Oh, I just,
A little bit, but.
yeah, I heard a little bit of drift.
Alright, so this is now. Oh, I just sat on something.
No!
Uh oh.
Oh,
Oh man.
Allison got these. These are really expensive sunglasses.
Well,
These are like $70 sunglasses.
What?
Oops.
here's the carnage.
Yeah, but there's
These
probably
are my
mosquito
sunglasses. Yep. Good times, kids.
They were, sorry.
No worries, I'll get new ones.